Job opportunity at Rogo Yamaha. Location, Vallam, Chennai. Educational qualification. 10th, 12th, ITI. Diploma, B, any degree. Gender, male female. Age limit, 18 to 30 years. Departments. Production. Quality. Assembly. Store. Salary benefits. Salary, 17,500 ரூபாய் 18,000 ரூபாய். Overtime, Sogasmeli 138 ரூபாய் per hour. Work timings, 8-hour shifts, 2 shifts. Additional benefits. Food provided during shift hours. Accommodation, room, facility available. Free bus transport routes. Kanchipuram, Tambaram, Chengalpattu, Thiruvallur, Avadi, Pattabiram, Chennai, Pannur, Thiruvanmiyur, Guindy, Anagaputhur. Contact details. Interested candidates can reach out at 827010047879 9566586193